In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to navigate to a list, switch to a Kanban-style board view, surface subtasks, create a new task, and set a specific due date and time so your work is scheduled precisely. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to the list you want to work with. A list is where related tasks live, so make sure you're in the correct space and list that match your project. If you're not seeing the right items, confirm you've selected the intended list from the sidebar. At the top of the list, look for the View controls. This is where you can change how your tasks are displayed. Select the option to change the view and choose the board layout, sometimes labeled as Kanban. The board view organizes tasks into columns based on status, making it simple to see progress at a glance and drag items forward as they move through your workflow. Once you're on the board, enable subtasks so they're visible in the columns. This is useful if your work breaks down into smaller pieces and you want to manage or track them alongside parent tasks. Turning on subtasks ensures nothing slips through the cracks, especially when you're collaborating or juggling multiple deliverables. Now, add a new task directly on the board. Click Add Task in the column that best represents its initial status, and give it a clear, action-oriented name. A concise title helps teammates instantly understand what needs to be done. If your team uses naming conventions or prefixes, apply them here for consistency and faster searching later. Next, attach dates to the task. Click Add Dates to open the calendar. Choose the appropriate day for the deadline. If your workflow benefits from it, you can also set a start date so the task has a defined window. But for now, focus on the due date to keep things simple and clear. After selecting the date, add a time so the task becomes time-specific rather than just due by end of day. This is helpful for scheduling handoffs or coordinating with meetings. Open the time picker and select the exact time you want. For example, choose 2:45 a.m. if that's when the task should be completed, or when a reminder should trigger. Double-check AM versus PM and ensure your workspace time zone is correct to avoid missed notifications. That's it. You navigated to your list, switched to board view, displayed subtasks, created a task, and set its due date and precise time. Apply this flow across your lists to keep work visible, organized, and on schedule.